Hi guys, today we thought of experiencing the Hosakote biryani. There are multiple number of biryani centers are there in Hosakote, but we been to the Anand's Dum Biryani. We started by 5 o'clock in the morning and we reached there by 6 o'clock. Today is a Friday. I don't see much of crowd there. I don't know because of the COVID or some other situation. I think there is no queue at all. There is no much vehicles. I see hardly 20 odd people were there, and each biryani of the full plate is they are charging for 250 rupees. And myself and my friend been there, and we took two plates of biryani and we had it. And also we have taken two parcels to the home. Let my family also taste it, and they can tell us how the biryani from the Hosakote. Okay, for me, to be frank, the biryani is okay. I'm not saying too bad. The biryani is very normal. I don't see the much of hype. Okay, the biryani's taste is okay. Okay, and for this we no need to go in the early morning by 5:30 to have it in the early morning. I don't see that much of greatness in this biryani. Okay, so this biryani is very average and very normal biryani, what we see in Donne and other side biryanis as well. But I see more tasteful biryanis than this within the Bangalore city itself. Okay, so I had this biryani in the morning, and I feel this is my review. I brought two parcels. Okay, now the time is almost 7 o'clock. So let me give it to my family and let them taste, and let me collect the review. Okay, and I will update it. Okay, come. So I see I bought the two parcels of the biryani here. So they had given a raita. Everywhere it is printed as Anand's Dum Biryani. Okay, this is a raita. It's very normal raita. This is not the raita which you expect from the other biryanis like Paradise and Meghna's or the Bawarchi's or somewhere. It's very normal onion with kind of buttermilk kind of. So it's there is no much curd added here, and we have one biryani which is not opened, and there is one biryani which is open. Um, just serve it. So initially I was thinking that the mutton pieces are juicy, and the aroma of the biryani is very good, and the rice, I mean the biryani rice also tastes very good. That is what the reviews I had, but my review is very genuine. This is a normal kind of a biryani, but taste wise it's okay, not bad. And mutton pieces also I see a bit hard. So I been to this biryani center for two times. This is the second time I been. So first time I have not taken a video. The first time what I got a feeling, I got the same feeling in the second time as well. See, the mutton pieces are hard. I don't see a juicy mutton or something else. Each piece, if you see, so I think this is the liver piece, I believe. So the piece is also the same kind of a feeling here. I don't see a much of quality pieces of the biryani, and the rice also full of heavy masalas rice, and fully oily. Now you can see my hand, full oily. Um, Early morning going and having this kind of a heavy oiled biryani is, I'm not sure. I will leave it to your review whether you want to have it or not. For me, it seems it's a heavy, and we don't want to have it such kind of a oily food in the morning itself. Okay, so you have it and let me know the taste. So
It's okay, okay, not so great.
okay, so I think my family also says it's okay, not so great something. So this is all about the Hosakote biryani. Let me explore some more biryanis and I will post my video. Okay. So the hype which was created in Hosakote, it is absolutely a wrong. It's a normal kind of a biryanis. Taste wise, okay. I'm not saying it's a bad biryani. It is a good biryani, but the amount of hype which was created, you will definitely get disappointed once you eat the biryani. Okay, you will realize that you have to cross a toll after passing the Kiarpuram, and then you have to take the left side. You can see the Anand's Dum Biryani. Right side you can see a Mani's Dum Biryani. There is Nani's Biryani. There is a Military's Biryani. There are so many biryanis are there. Out of all, these two are very famous, but don't see a much greatness in this biryani, which is a kind of a average biryani. That's it. Okay, so early morning you don't need to go there. You can better take a good biryani and have it in the as part of the lunch instead of the breakfast. It's not even a breakfast. It's morning 5:30, 6 o'clock. A person is having a biryani. I don't think so how it is recommended to have such a heavy food which is oily, and see the oil inside. So I don't know whether it is an oil or a ghee or something. I don't see the ghee smell inside. But overall, what I say is this biryani is a normal kind of a biryani. Okay, I don't see a much greatness in this biryani. It's very normal, and the price is also very high. 250 rupees a full biryani is very high, where you can get the similar price in Bangalore city itself. It's a very good biryanis. Thereby you no need to go in the early morning. The clouds are passing. It's very foggy in the morning, so you can't see the opponent person while you're driving in the car or a bike, and it's very cold outside. So better you can stick to the Bangalore city itself, and you have a very good biryani served by most of the hotels or the restaurants in Bangalore itself. Okay, so this is my review. Thanks for watching. Chandu's Cloud.